What's up YouTube, Blue Collar Success here, and today I'm going to show off what I carry on my rig in regards to hand tools. This is not in regards to welder generators, air compressors, oxyacetylene torches. This is just hand tools and general miscellaneous stuff I carry. So let's get right into it. Another video I will show off my whole rig and how I set that up for basically any job that I run into. So let's start over here. Got my backpack right here. This is with my laptop and all my quoting materials. Along with that, I have my quote binder right here. Opens up. Got a clipboard in there, some isometric paper for drawing isometric drawings or just prints. Got my lunch box right there. I always try to pack a lunch. I got my phone here. It's my work phone. It's different than my personal phone because of the fact that I don't like to share my personal number with customers just because. Got an iPad for quick quotes. I have a quoting software and I can take credit card over my iPad and make that work. I just plug in a chip reader down here and it swipes and it goes to an account. This is gonna be upcoming, so I bought this camera. Actually, I got it for Christmas from my girlfriend. So in the next couple of videos, I've been waiting for this for a while. And I'm going to be starting to film my welding job. So look forward to that. I got a tripod along with that. Notepad for jotting down notes. So this is a pretty nice camera. Has a microphone that comes with it. 4K, Ultra HD. It's pretty nice. I'm pretty excited to use that on upcoming jobs. So look forward to that. Hopefully I start building more of an audience base when I start doing that. So this is a nice tool bag that I carry along with me if I need to go out a job site. Has a strap on it, so it's pretty nice. Right now it's kind of empty. Don't really have much in there right now. Just some brushes and just some flux brushes, general stuff. But that's what I normally fill up if I need to go somewhere. Got some knee pads. I got a bunch of lockout tagout stuff. This is for a gate valve. This is for a ball valve. This is for like a large gate valve that you can't tie off with a gate valve of that size. So what else do I have in here? This is some safety stuff, an eye hook for tying off. So you drill an anchor with this guy. This is a pretty heavy duty one, but you know, put this one, put an anchor in there and then you thread this eye bolt into there and you could tie off to there, theoretically. Got a hasp in case other guys are working on it with me. That's pretty much it in here. Yeah, and then in this bin, I carry extra clothes if I'm going on the road for a long period of time, or if I'm traveling or going up to my cabin, whatever. I have a bunch of clothes in here, belt, extra pants, socks, dry clothes, and it keeps them nice and dry in that bin. So I recommend getting some sealable bins. And also, I have some chains in case I need someone to pull me out or pull someone else out, or just it's good to have a set of good chains like that. Next, I got a bunch of DEF fluid. If I'm going on a trip, I always carry, because I'll show you my truck real quick. I don't have the gas tank one where I can just fill it up in the gas tank like this. I just have the gas. I have it, the one under the hood. I got it plugged in right now, but because it's pretty cold, it's gonna be -8 tonight, I think. So I just got it plugged in, but I got the DEF fluid all the way back there, which is kind of annoying. So yeah, this is a Chevy 3500 1-ton HD Duramax diesel. It's not the dually, but it's still pretty nice. So yeah, I just carry extra DEF fluid. In this bag, I got anti-seize. Always good to have. Tape measure. Some Pro Press fittings. I don't know why these are in here, but sometimes I do Pro Press. Stick rule. Some locks for locking up the gang box. Copper cutter. Electrical tape. pipe dope. It's old. I probably need to get some more new pipe dope. Got some copper cleaning brushes. This is all old stuff. I'm just showing what I generally carry. Some wire cutters. I think these are shorty anchors, I believe. Yeah, they're shorties. So, yeah, they're pretty valuable for hanging small hangers, but they won't hold much weight in general. But they're decent for small pipe like copper pipe and stuff. So that's that. Got a Welpers holder from MIG Welding. Got 2 pipe wrenches. These are 24-inch pipe wrenches, aluminum. I like these way better than the iron ones. They're a lot lighter. This one's a rigid one, a name brand. The other one's kind of an off-brand. I just bought it, I believe, Menards. Let's move on to my boots, my steel-toed boots. I like the closed-toed, the cowboy boot style, because I don't get sparks in my laces, and they're really comfortable. Next, I got an extra belt. This is for oxyacetylene or torch cutting or plasma cutting or just regular cut, like cutting with a cutting wheel, because it has the dual shield. I got a passive shade Jackson hood. I got a passive shade auto darkening right there. Passive shade pipe liner. Got a hard hat. And then that's my auto darkening for like TIG and MIG. And a bunch of welding gloves, a rod holder. Like I said, my backpack with all my laptop, my quoting materials. TIG rig. Here's my tie-off stuff. Here I got a beam. I don't know, I call it a beamer. I don't know what this is exactly called, but you can tie it off to a beam, like an I-beam, and then tie off to your harness with this off that. Got a heat shield, bunch of grinders. In the next bag, grinding wheels, flap disc, cutoff disc, all that kind of stuff. Got a rigging strap right here. I need to organize this all a little better, but got some grinders in here. 3 grinders. I got a wire wheel, cut wheel, and a grinding wheel / flap disc. I got a small come along in here. Comes in handy. Let's see what's next. Next, I'm going to be going over my toolbox. So yeah, that's pretty much all the hand tools, but I do like these sealed bins a lot for my clothes and all that. So I'm going to be putting this in the gang box that I'm going to be buying off Craigslist soon. But I got a big channel locks, a big board. This I actually inherited from my grandfather, so it's kind of a mess. But I got like pencils, general marking utensils in here. Let's see what else actually. Some socket sets, some wrenches. Like I said, I need to organize this. Iron pipe wrench, real old, but it's a rigid. Got some more marking utensils and some more wrenches. Yeah, my grandpa passed and I inherited all this stuff, so I'm curious to see what's in it. Haven't really gone through it too much. Got a bunch of screwdrivers in here, flathead, Phillips, all different kinds. A knife. So you got a couple flint strikers, that's handy. Grinder nut, extra grinder nut. Electrical tape all the way in the back there. Let's see, levels of all kinds. This is a cheaper one. Mid-grade, I'd say. The Milwaukee one's always real expensive because the magnet is really good. But yeah, everything's plumb level and square, so important. This is very important, the pipe welder's handbook. Very important. It's so useful. Figure out, 1.414 offsets and all that. Got the plumb bob here. Got some. These are really expensive, but these work really well and they last a long time. Cut wheels, Metabo. Got some clamps. Some C-clamps, vice grips. Some more wire cutters. Chisel. Let's see what's in here. Copper cutter, wire cutters, another tape measure, a nice stick rule. I like this kind better because it's a little smaller, along with the Milwaukee kind. Then the other stick rule, which is like, kind of see the difference. It's a lot thinner, a little longer, but it's a lot thinner. I like that better, fits in my pocket better. And got a nice file. This is a nice one. What kind is it? Nice, made in Portugal. Got some tin snips, got some drill bit sets, Allen wrenches, some more ISO paper, flashlight, channel locks, another stick rule, another pipe fitter's handbook. Got some big boy wrenches, 1.5 inch and 7/16. So one side's 1.5 inch, other side is 1 7/16. Got some smaller copper cutters, chisel, pickup tool, big adjustable. Yeah, a bunch of channel locks over here. Holy crap. Just a bunch of channel locks. All rusted up and stuff, but these are pretty nice. I think I got the Nipex kind in here. I love the Nipex brand of channel locks. These are real nice. They lock in place and they're real nice for small threaded pipe. Yep. Next I got hammers of all kinds, super sledge, rubber mallet, ball peen. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's what I inherited from my grandfather, and try to make the best use of it, I guess. So yeah, that's pretty much what I plan on carrying in my welding rig. And I'm not a rig welder, I'm just have a mobile welding business, just to clarify. And I do some structural, some piping, mainly structural and heavy equipment repair. That's mainly what I focus on. But yeah, it all fits pretty nicely in the back of my truck. Here's my truck. I did a truck tour there in a previous video. It's got the 8-foot bed, so I fit a lot back there. My welder generators, need to pick that up. It's in service and getting serviced right now. Something was wrong with it. And so yeah, I'll put that back in there and I'll do a full-on rig tour at some point. I'd like to showcase what everything looks like when it's in there and do another tour. And with that, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. Have a great day.